Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little tool haul and movie haul, entertainment haul from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So these are some items I picked up from Walmart. So picked up the new Marvel Black Widow movie in 4K. It's a Cinematic Universe edition. Picked up a couple tool items. Ended up picking up a 1997 Toyota 4Runner 4x4 lifted with bigger tires, lift kit, everything like that. Ended up picking that up yesterday. Ended up picking these items up yesterday. Today is the 21st, Tuesday, September. Yesterday was the 20th. Also picked up a couple ornaments because I thought they were interesting. So picked up two of these tire valve stem repair kits. I like putting these in an emergency bag, and I always put an emergency bag in each vehicle. So I picked up two of these. It's a 14 piece, comes with a tire checker. I usually don't use these, but the valve stem removal tool, reamer tool, comes with 4 plastic caps, comes with 4 metal caps, valve caps, comes with some valves. I usually pick these up. They're like $3-4 bucks. Not really expensive. And then I picked up some slime stuff. So I picked up 3 of these tire depth gauges. I actually had a more expensive tire depth gauge. Can't find it. I'm 100% positive I put it in the new limited 2000, but I can't find it. So I picked up 3 more. Throw one of these in the limited 2000. Throw one of these in the limited 1997, and throw one of these in Sky, the 2000 SR5. So I got 3 of those, and I got 2 more 4-way tool kits. So it comes with the tool and then 4 more valve stems, valves. So ended up with, quite a bit of them. There's 4 in each of these packs, so it's 4, 8, 16 of them. Ended up with 4 of these tools, so there's enough to put, one of these tools in each vehicle. And I picked up this dually RV gauge. You can use it on pretty much anything. You can use it on cars, quads, SUVs, trucks, campers, big rigs, motorcycles. You could probably use it on bicycles too if you wanted to. I picked one of these up. It was 10 bucks. It was like 15 something for the digital one. This is pretty nice, heavy duty. Just to tell me what tire pressure I have in the tires. I'm going to either probably leave this in the house, or I'm going to throw this in one of the vehicles. I'll eventually buy a couple more digital ones that I leave in each vehicle. Because I basically took what I had in Sky, the SR5, and I just put everything that was in that truck. I put it in the limited 2000 4x4, and then ended up picking up a 1997 from a buddy of mine. It looks exactly the same as the limited 2000 I've showed you guys in recent videos. The only difference is it's got a really big lift, really big tires. It's actually got the same interior, and it's a few years older. It's 3 years older. But I'm not going to open all these items and just show you all these items. The tire depth gauges are pretty simple to use. Valve stem tools are pretty easy to use as well. And then these are just little ornament emblems that you would put on like a Christmas tree. Stuff like that. My wife likes Jack the Skeleton. So there's 3 of them here. There's Sally, Jack the Skeleton, and then Zero. And I grabbed the Baby Yoda or the child is what it says on it. And then Hogwarts emblem I thought was neat. What I'm going to do with these is I'm not going to put them on a Christmas tree. I'm actually going to take these little hangers off of them. And I'm going to actually glue some magnets on these, and I'm just going to put them on the toolbox. You know, like that. Basically, or over here on this toolbox down here. And magnet them to the toolbox just to add some flair to the toolbox. Toolboxes, whatever one I put them on. I thought they were cute. My wife likes the Jack the Skeleton stuff. I'm not sure what she's going to do with them. She can probably do a video on them if she wants to talk about what she's going to do with them. But I'm just showing you guys what I picked up. Not very much was actually picked up. Slide these down. Two right here. But that was everything that was grabbed. Not really much. Haven't seen the movie. If you guys watch you guys see this video and I haven't watched the movie yet, you know, what do you guys think of it? Let me know what you liked about the movie, what you didn't like. I'm sure I'll probably see it before then, but who knows? There are some times that I buy a movie and I don't watch it for like 9 months. But that's all I got. A large variety of slime items and a couple hyper tough items and some little ornament emblems from Hallmark. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video. There's no point to unbox these items. They're just little small items. All I'm basically going to do is take these items out, put them in one of these kits, put one of these kits in a vehicle. You know, that's about it. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!